Ndị Igbo ekele m unu bụ ndị ọma njem ọnụ biko na onwe vidio iPhone efele mgbawa biko nu abụkwana m onye na-ebe mmadụ ebubo ihe nnadụ họshọ ya mana this guy bụ palace ka Ken Palace of Justice nwere ihe ọ ya bụ okwu kata sometimes ị na-ajụ na onye ọṅụkwara mmiri ala nne ọfụma mana asị m ka biko kekene na ihe unu n'ihe Palace Ken Palace of Justice okwu maka ịma nọ Senegal na-ekwu ihe na-adụ họshọ ya nye vidio ka unu fụ ihe okwu pertaining Chief Imo na-eme kọmedi biko nu unu ga-echa ebulu ya own judge ihe ọbụla dị gị n'obi chọrọ ikwu iti ya na comment section maka na ọ bụghị mụnwa kwu na onye ọzọ kwu biko nu mana na ọ bụla o si na o kwuru ya bụ ife n'oyibo mgbe na-asịzi biko ihe ọbụla mara ihe bụ ihe ndị Igbo gbasara ndị Igbo kwesịrị na-asị ya na Igbo ka ide emebi n'afa nwanne gị na mba ọzọ biko nu nekene na Ken ka unu nụ ihe okwu na ntị maka Chief Imo ka onye ọbụla ama ama na-eme kọmedi.
Nwanne ihe ahụ ga-eme echi ya mee today. That thing that will happen tomorrow, let it happen now immediately. That's why I be one Aba. That Aba no dey like, and the people they do gara na. Aba people, that thing when you say it will happen tomorrow, may it happen now. Let me say it plump and clear, without being afraid or trying to pamper works. Chief Imo, Los Julius or something, Chief Imo is nothing but a capital gay. I want to mention his name. This picture you are seeing is his picture to show you that I am not afraid that anything I speak online, I have the evidence of it. Chief Imo is nothing but again, oh no, Chief Imo have destroyed a to Nyash. Justice for a to Nyash. Chief Imo have destroyed a young Nyash in April. Chief Imo is nothing but again, oh no, Chief Imo the fuck her fellow man, which is an abomination. Chief Imo is taking stacks of young youths. People should caution this Chief Imo. Even if you invite him to occasion, you're a young guy, he look at your picture, he will ask you to come to his hotel room. If you come to his hotel room, Chief Imo will start pressing your arm. Chief Imo will start pressing your utu. Tell you that may put drink in your follow man's dash. Chief Imo is chatting young small boys online, telling them to come to his hotel room. Chief Imo man at your hotel room you're making go. What is she going to do? Am I gonna fear? Now let me tell you, if you speak the truth, you will buy. If you don't speak the truth, you will buy. And I have come on social media to speak the truth. Chief Imo, leave your follow man Nash. This is getting too much. Even if you call some kinds of social media on video, you're asking them to show you their utu. And your man is really asking women to show them their mogopropo, which is Igbo. But you are busy asking your follow man to show you his Igbo. Evidence plenty. You can't deny it, Chief Imo. Chief Imo is nothing but a homosexual. Chief Imo has been destroying each Nash. Chief Imo has been sleeping with his fellow woman. Chief Imo, you have a beautiful woman. You just married that woman for cover up. You know what you are doing. Now what you are doing is evil. Because of it, you belong to one demonic occultic. You marry that wife so that the public will think that again you are not a gay, bro. You are a homosexual, Chief Imo. Am I going to afraid to talk it? After all, what are you going to do to me? Either arrest me or kill me. This one I'm the one under. Think I'm the wonder. I never said the truth and than covering evil. Chief Imo, remove your hand from Aaron Ishimoki Degi. Lord Julius, among Daya's last name, I will mention it clearly. Lord Julius is something. Remove your hand from Aaron Ishimoki Degi. You have been in Senegal countless times. I didn't even intend to go and see you because I know that they are tarnishing. How many times have you come to Senegal? We have visited Senegal like twice, occasion. And did you see me? Did you see my leg? Did you know the reason I didn't come? I told him the bomber. My Nyash is important to me. That's the reason I never visited twice. You have come here. I didn't go. Aga. Only shame the bomber. Not Attire. I'm the cool of work. I will virgin now. I'm virgin neighbor. You ever seen this virgin? That is the reason Chief Igbo, ever since you have been coming to Senegal, I've never visited you. And after watching this video, if you still want to come to Senegal, maybe to arrest me or to threaten, let me tell you, you're not gonna see Ken. Also get Kenjak and others. You will not see me. So don't try to waste your money, because if you eventually come to Senegal, because you have been here twice and you have some contact to arrest me, let me tell you, one particular thing, you will never see me. A guy home, because I don't base here, and they go up and down, they come back. So don't even try to get it. To try to come to Senegal to search of me. You will never see me. But again, I will keep on telling you people the truth. Chief Igbo, remove your hand from Onishiwoki Begi Chief Igbo. Chief Igbo from Omenala Igbo or something Igbo. Remove your yash. Youth of Igbo is crying to me that Onishiha is wearing pampers. That their Ike is wearing pampers. That their Bombom is wearing pampers. Up and you they carry Vaseline up and down where you they go. Okay, which Vaseline? Can you Vaseline? If you are everywhere you are going, you are there with Vaseline to be robbing your dick, to be disvirgin innocent youth, to be disvirgin innocent youth where you have a beautiful wife at home. Why don't you use her own yash and practice? This is very people because. You trigger me cannot talk. You trigger on this shit not talking. It happened. The God, what God created. Mungo propo. Yeah, one issue okay, baby. Who knows that if you have never disflowered your wife's bomb? And I said it the way it is without being afraid. That's one thing with me. I said it, I will tell you the way it is, whether it's going to be bitter in your ear or it's going to be sweeter. I am on a kind of I don't even care how it's going to sound to you, but I know that I'm speaking the truth. So let's Chief Igbo, who knows if you have never gnashed your wife? Because of you are nothing but a typical and capital homosexual. If you don't remove your hand from this evil act you are doing, God in heaven will punish you for playing with his name. Because every occasion you will go, you will be singing, clapping, preaching gospel, fight gospel. Whoever inside you, they sleep with your fellow man. Any occasion you went to, any place you went to, first of all, be praying, be calling God's name. Even all these, in fact, the music he says you're singing, you keep on be calling God for a singer. Comedy and singer is not your talent. Let me tell you before we continue. All this smoky, the nyash of your fellow man, with the nyash is what's going to give you that popularity. If it's by talent or the way talent, grace didn't even find you. You find all this shit. You find all this shit. So, anger of God, about music, everything you keep on doing, you keep on calling God. Anger of God will descend on you if you don't remove your hand from destroying youth. Chief Igbo, anger of God and the wage of God will descend on you if you don't repent from destroying youth character. Who sent you? Now, person telling you the nyash, follow man nyash. Why must you be initiating other young youths that know nothing about this thing? They tell somebody will be popular. Give me your nyash, I will come your show free. But from nyash, I will make you popular. You become like me. People will be hearing your word. And who knows all these boys that has been serving you if the honesty is in part again? Because before these people will serve you, you have might. Like with all those guys. Anyway, this is my message to Chief Igbo. Because I'm not afraid of anybody. I am a fearless mommy. That's why I'm called Ken, Mommy Ken, the Palace of Justice. In the big man. Or to Furakonokak, palliative in the Okemoni Mesel, the monopause breaker, Nyash Pumper, breast giver. The only fearless guy that will talk to you whenever and whosoever, and I want to. I will tell you the truth, even if you are doing good. I will come and praise you. And if you are doing bad, I will also come here and talk it. And nothing is going to happen. Arrest me. Am I the only person that has been arrested? But again, the truth that has spoken already will speak for me. Chief Igbo, before have furnish no key begaka. Chief Igbo, ala eruf gịnị ha fọrọ isi nwoke ibe gị aka bifo Chineke akpọ ọgụ
ejikwana m n'aka na na-afụcha anya vidio biko na-enecha vidio anyela anyị aka subscribe na this channel, share this video biko share cha ya ebe notification gị ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla aji wee post vidio ọfụ na efere mba ụwa n'ụwa. Biko ọnụọbụla o si na dị tile anyị aka na the share button, drop your comment na the comment section, inyekwana anyị the like button. Bụ ndị ọma njem ọnụ ka enweenụ mgbe ọzọ.